Hello student, welcome to Max Study official YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about the BDL management trainee syllabus. They have released the management trainee of all the discipline, but here we are discussed with the only for the mechanical engineering syllabus. So let's begin with the videos. As per the notification, they have released the management training for the different discipline, and in the short notification, they have told the paper pattern. What is the paper pattern? How many questions are there? They mentioned that the test duration will be 2 hours and having a 2 parts. 150 questions are there. In that, the 50 questions are numerical aptitude and the 100 questions are subject based. There 50 questions are based on a general aptitude. Remember that. After that, they told me you need to qualify minimum 60% marks in written examination, that is CBT for the unreserved candidate, and 50% for the SC, ST and OBC non-criminal candidate. In that, you need to secure 85% for weightage for the CBT, and the remaining 50% is based on the interview. They have clarified that in a short notification. They have also mentioned that the minimum calling ratio is the 7:1. For the post, single post, they have called 7 candidates for an interview, and after that they select only 1 candidate. The calling ratio was 7:1. After that, they have released the detailed syllabus of all the discipline. Here the 50 question which is related to general aptitude. They have mentioned that the 20 question are coming from the quantitative aptitude, and again 15 question are coming from reasoning, and general English consists of 15 questions. The total 50 questions consists of a 3 part: quantitative aptitude, reasoning and general English, and the remaining 100 questions are based on your syllabus of core discipline. Like if you are belonging to mechanical, then 100 questions are related to mechanical. Similarly, like electrical, civil and electronic as well. So these syllabus are exactly similar with the GATE syllabus. If you have already prepared with the GATE, then you do not focus on too much on a math, because it's coming with a very lenient question, because the time for each question is not more than 45 seconds. So you need to prepare with the theoretical type of questions more. Focus on theoretical type instead of going with the numerical, because in a GATE examination, CALC and all those things are available. But in these examinations like BDL and other PSU examinations, there is no CALC. So you need to give your 100% on the theory questions rather than solving lots of numerical. So begin with the syllabus. Here they have mentioned that the linear algebra, you need to just go with the linear algebra, calculus, differential equation, then उसके बाद complex variable, probability and statics and numerical method. This is the common syllabus, exactly same syllabus they have copied from the GATE syllabus. Going with the next part of the syllabus, applied mechanics and design. Engineering mechanics are there, mechanics of material, that is strength of material are there, theory of machine, vibration, machine design. Then all these are the applied mechanics and design related syllabus. After that, they go with the fluid mechanics. There are fluid mechanics, next heat transfer, thermodynamic and its application. Application consists of power engineering, IC engine, refrigeration and air conditioning and turbo machinery. All these are thermodynamic applications are also in the syllabus. Going ahead, they have also mentioned with the manufacturing and industrial engineering syllabus. First, you need to go with the engineering material, casting, forming and joining process, machining and machine tool operation, metrology inspection, computer integrated manufacturing, production planning and control, inventory control and operations research. These are the syllabus related to mechanical discipline, and they have mentioned like you need to go with these syllabus only, but these syllabus are already two. It's exactly from the GATE syllabus. So instead of preparing the numerical type of question in a GATE, you just go with the GATE 1 mark question or ESE questions which are frequently coming in a prelim examination. So you do go with these two options, either go GATE question 1 mark and ESE prelims paper 1. So you need to go with these type of question. If you are still having practice 2 more questions, go with the PSU level, or otherwise I have already initiated the production series of all the PSU level question. If you want these series, then do comment below. I'll again initiate all those sets, so you do not worry about searching all those questions and solving. I have already listed down, and you need to just go through it once again and before going to examination, because once you sit in examination you have very less time, 40-45 seconds for a single question. If you too much time required to read the question and mark the answer, then you do not reach to the end of the questions. So before that you need the practice of good amount of questions, so that you can solving approach and time to read the question is too less. So in this way you need to prepare it. If you need any help from our end, do comment below. I'll definitely provide at our ends. And if you like our videos, and do subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.